Hello guys, today I've got Samsung Galaxy A41 and I'm going to show you how to fix battery percentage not showing. So at first you need to open the settings. Now scroll down till you see here battery and device care. Here tap battery and scroll down till you see more battery settings. As you guys can see here, the second option is show battery percentage. Make sure it's enabled, because when it's disabled it's like this. If you have this enabled and you see here a blank, or just it doesn't really change anything, or it's blank, of course, you need to restart your phone. Hold power button and volume down simultaneously and hit restart button right here. If it doesn't work still after the restart, you need to install Battery Widget application to make sure that the battery sensor is broken. How to do that? Open the Play Store and here head to the search bar. Let me quickly lower my brightness level just a bit. Okay, maybe not like this, like this. So open the Play Store, the search bar, and here you need to type Battery Widget. And now here you should see, okay, now it's working. Here you should see the first application pops up, Battery Widget Reborn by Thomas Hubalek. This application is actually the application that I recommend because I know it works, and 5 million people actually downloaded this application, so I think it's a trusted one. Here tap install button and wait a moment. Here now we've got it almost installed. Now let's hit open, start automatically, add widget, consent, battery widget, add. You should see now your widget on the home screen, and if it shows blank information, you need to contact device support to have your battery sensor fixed. But however, if it shows something, it means that your software is broken and you need to try updating your phone to the latest version, because there may be some fix, or contacting the device support, and you need to say, that your system doesn't want to show your battery percentage. However, some third-party applications work. That's it. Bye.